ever been riding their Harley and started hearing this loud knocking kind of noise coming from the top of the engine, and you think it's the top, like the rocker arms, you could be wrong. What you might want to be looking at is what I'm about to show you. So right here is the main assembly of my 2005 Harley Davidson Fatboy Firefighter Edition. And right here on this is the main side of the bike where your main oil goes in. Here's your clutch. This right here, I'm gonna move this, that bolt right there, that is considered the compensating bolt. And what that does is relieve tension from the chain to the belt and so on. Now, if you are driving or riding and you hear a knocking noise coming from up here, it might not be your rocker arms. You want to disassemble this, check this bolt. If you can move that bolt with your fingers, it's obviously not the spec, because spec is 150 pounds torque. Oh, I sincerely doubt that I'm able to spin that and that I can crank 150 pounds torque. Also, one more neat thing about the Harley Davidson, at least my model with the Fatboy, is when you're looking at the main side, which I'll show you here in a second, there's an area where you can actually unscrew these four little bolts, and you can reach your finger in there to the blades that I was just showing you, or to the compensation bolt, and you can spin that thing. If you can spin it with your fingers, the bolt's probably loose. And here, I'll show you what it is right now. All right, so here it is, guys, on the main side of the bike, and right here, in this little panel that goes right there, you take that off, and you reach your finger back in here, and that bolt, which is located behind here that I just showed you, if you can spin that with your finger, that's your problem. All right, guys, I hope that helped. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here in Scarlet Serenity with that little compensation bolt. Gonna torque it down to 150 pounds per spec. Definitely make sure to check your manual. Definitely make sure it is in neutral, because with disconnecting the clutch, sometimes that will switch out, especially with tightening the compensating bolt. Go, beautiful, beautiful. All right, I don't hear it at all. I hope this has been helpful if you've been having that issue with the knock, and I hope everyone rides safe. Have a blessed day, and if this was helpful, go ahead and throw a like, and if you'd like to subscribe, go for it. All right, guys, see ya. Bye.